Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego bridge. So first you get one of these and this. Then you get this, you put this one over here and this one over here. And the other one over here. And then you get this one over here. And the other one over here. And then after that, and after that you get, I apologize because I said to Okay, and now I'm going to show you. And now I'm going to get this. You get this one and you get this one. Connect it over here. And you put it over here, this one over here. And you connect this one, you get this one, put it over here. And it connects. It's a Lego bridge. The next one is easy. And then now I get this. Hey, I forgot something. Now, and then after that, you get this. You connected it. Then you put this now. Now you get one of this. You put it over here. These ones, put it right over here. And this one right over here. This one, these two, put them right over here. Okay, now get this and put this one over here. And the other one would go over here. And the other one goes over here. And this one goes over here. And last more thing, we're going to do the other one. Is it showing it, Daddy? Okay. Now, you do this. You get these two, and then you connect them right over here. Then you get this, and you get that over there, and the other one over there. And this one over here. See, now you did it like this. Now you get the other one over here. And the other one over here. You get this, and then right over here. And connect this over here. And you put that in the ground. Voila! You made the bridge. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see more videos, subscribe and you'll see more.